Just my viewers and my subscribers. Back on channel again. Ryanrich. Giving an update of the drain again. They put in the steel work in the meantime, my people. And over the right hand side, they put in pipe at the same time too. So this is what's taking place out here in Morant. They do the steel work in the meantime on the drain. These are the workers out here. They might do the steel work, they might put in pipe over the right hand side, see the tractor they clear the rear. Yes my people, this is all the drain look and all. They must steal it up. In the meantime, it was a huge drain out here. So as I was saying, I prepare the steel. And when I'm done prepare the steel, then I cast it up. Yes my people, check I put in the work in the meantime. It's so fast my work on the drain. So the truck, the premix truck come for cast the flooring. I cast the flooring today. So, Morant people appreciate this. Then the town now flood out again. So this drain, this huge drain will save them from flood out. A whole of steel working on my viewers and my subscribers. Yes my people, today is the day to check a cast the flooring on the drain, see there? They might cast the flooring first before them box up the side, the two side them. Share, like, leave your thought in the comment section and hit the notification bell for newly update from Ryanrich. So the truck pour the concrete. On the surface down there. So as I was saying, my people, I'm right on the drains fast. Yes, my people, this is how the flooring look. And cast off the flooring. Then I look a piece down there, so finish cast off. So the premix truck kind of run out of concrete, so I'm going to go for some more. Come finish the piece behind those guys. This is how long the steel work is, my people. My cast the flooring, as I was saying. Check, working out very hard out here in the Morant here. As I was saying, my people, then cast piece right already. So when the next truck comes, I cast the next piece. That is the next piece to cast.